How to download a video transcription. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can download a video transcription, and this is how to go about it. The first step is to logging into your Vimeo account, just like I've done here. And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to your own page automatically. On this page, you'll see things you've recently done, and you'll see other options as well. So the next step is to move to the left side of the screen where you can see a menu and then click on library. After clicking on library, I am brought to the library page. The next step is for you to select the video whose transcription you would like to download. So after selecting the video, you'll be brought to the video settings page. So on this page, move to the left side of the screen and then click on subtitles and audio. So after clicking on subtitles and audio, you'd wait for the page to load. So once the subtitle page has loaded, the next thing is to click on subtitles, and then you'll see wait for a while. Once it has loaded, you'll be brought automatically to the settings option. And then once you can see that, the next step would be for you to move to the right side and click on transcript. Since you're trying to download the video's transcription. So after clicking on transcript, it might take a while, wait for it to load. Once that's successfully loaded, you would see the download option available here. So just click on it and then you'll be able to download transcripts for the video. Alright, so just ensure you do that. And also, it might not be possible, you might not see the download option displayed if you are currently on the free version of Vimeo, just like I am here. But if you're on the paid version, you'll be able to automatically generate your captions for your video. So this is how it works. Thank you for watching and have a good day.